How can I prove my medical treatment after a crash was related to the accident? You prove it by building a clear connection between the crash, your symptoms, and your medical care. It is usually not enough to say, "My pain started after the crash." You want records that show the treatment was probably related to the collision. Start with a simple timeline. Include when the crash happened, when symptoms began, when you first got medical care, what body parts hurt, and what follow-up treatment you received. If there were gaps in treatment, explain why. Maybe you could not get an appointment, lack transportation, or hope the pain would improve. Unexplained gaps give the insurance company room to argue that later treatment was unrelated. Medical bills alone are not enough. Visit notes, intake forms, imaging reports, therapy notes, and provider opinions are often more useful. The strongest records show what symptoms you reported, how the crash happened, what the provider found, and why the treatment was reasonable. If you had a prior back, neck, or shoulder problem, that does not automatically defeat your claim. You may still recover if the crash caused a new injury or made an old condition worse. Prior records can help show your baseline before the crash. Finally, document how the injury affected daily life, such as driving, work, sleep, lifting, or household tasks. The goal is consistency, accuracy, and a clear medical story from the crash through treatment.